This is yet another Casablanca Stealth. This one being black with glossy rosewood blades. This one actually used to be Comfort Touch, but someone in the past converted it to IntelliTouch. But other than that, everything as far as I know is original. Start off with speed 1. I'll only be able to show up to speed 5 because on speed 6 it tries to shake a little bit and it moves just enough to hit this air duct. So it barely clears. So the story behind this fan is that someone, I don't know who, but someone sold it on eBay, and some guy in North Jersey bought it. Well, he couldn't figure out how to wire up the IntelliTouch control or whatever he was using, and he couldn't get it to work. So even though he spent a ton of money on eBay buying this, he couldn't figure it out, and he sold it on Facebook Marketplace for $5. Which is literally crazy. Here's speed 2. Also, this is really finicky with the W11 that I'm using. It really only works with the W32. Probably because of how new the IntelliTouch is. Also, if I were to hold down the fan button and go from speeds 1 through 6, it'll cycle through the speeds insanely fast, which is really weird. And if I were to turn on power and then fan, the buttons would be unresponsive after that. So I can only cycle through the speeds with the light on. There's speed 3. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if the seller was trying to hook it up with something like this. And that definitely will not work. There's speed 4. I'm hoping this doesn't start smacking the air duct, but we'll see. And speed 5. Seems to be staying still. I can't go to speed 6. I'll really quick show what I mean when it cycles through the speeds insanely fast. So usually what it's supposed to do is it goes 1, 2, 3, and so on. But watch this. And of course it's not doing it now. Let me try it again. See how fast that cycled through the speeds? Very strange. So I think if I were to have that W11 on there long term, it would probably kill it. I don't know if it would kill the fan board or kill the control or both. But yeah, that definitely shouldn't be happening. And then turn the fan on high without the light. It's unresponsive after that. But it works perfectly fine with a W32. But yeah, anyway, that's all I have for this Casablanca Stealth.